Evangelista Alvin R. Oparn, MAPH, St. Bonaventure's Leadership Award. Espina St. Cecil OFM, MAPH. Magna Cum Laude, Best Thesis Presenter and Best Thesis entitled Your Will Be Done, Matthew 6:10b, an exegetical analysis and some pastoral implications. Abanes Antonio LG, OFM, MAPH, cum laude. Congratulations, brothers.
Thank you very much, Ms. Malu and dear friars, and congratulations to the graduates, parents, and guardians. For the graduation speech, may we now call on Vincent Anthony R. Magaway, cum laude, Bachelor of Arts, major in Philosophy.
To our honored guests, professors, loving family, friends, brothers, and fellow graduates, a peaceful morning. This is the day we're anticipating, our graduation. I still remember when Sir Ferds and I were counting years, months, and days left before our graduation, as if this time would come too far. But here we are standing and wearing the vestments for graduation with pride and joy. Standing here made me reminisce about my own journey in our school and in the seminary. Back then, when I first entered the seminary, I wasn't sure if the path I was taking down was right. I don't even know why I am taking up the degree in philosophy, nor do I see the importance of taking this degree. Aside from the fact that it is a prerequisite before becoming a friar. It was tough, full of doubts and struggles, to the point that sometimes I had to question even my own beliefs in life. Graduating with flying colors is a small gift to myself for my dedication and perseverance in studying, while at the same time being in the aspirancy program. Getting a Latin Honor Award wasn't easy. It took late nights, early mornings, and a lot of efforts. There were times when it felt like the workload and expectation were too much. But I couldn't have done it alone. My seminarian brothers, especially to my peer mates in the seminary, Brother Tom, Carmelo, and Smile, and of course our prepostulants. And of course, how could I forget the Olas Pips, the guys I studied with, prayed with, and learned on when things got tough. Without their support, I wouldn't be standing here today. One thing that I will always remember in Olas is the gift of brotherhood. Brotherhood means a lot to me. And the value of fraternity changes my philosophy in life. Before, all I thought I could survive by looking at things positively, even in the most dire situations. No, one can only see the peculiarity of light through darkness if they have someone they can share their experience with. It's about having each other's during the good times and the bad times. We face all challenges, both big and small, but we got through them together. Those hard times showed us what real brotherhood is all about. Every one of us has our own story, filled with ups and downs. We've all had moments when we felt like giving up, when the road ahead seemed too tough. But what brings us together is our belief in sticking together and supporting each other with the help of the Almighty God. As seminarians or lay brothers, we're here to build one another, to be kind and to be faithful to God. We're here to bring hope to a world that sometimes feels divided and uncertain. The support and encouragements we've given each other have made all the difference. When one of us stumbled, there was always someone who moved him up. When the challenges seemed insurmountable, we found strength in our unity. This brotherhood taught us that we are never truly alone, and that together we can overcome any obstacle. As we move on today, let's remember the lessons we've learned and the bonds we've made. Our success won't be determined by the awards we get today, but by the people we've helped and the community we built. Let us uphold our Franciscan values wherever we go. Let us use